disassociate the connection between the higher and lower chakras, when you don't stay in correlation with your sexual energy and your spiritual energy, that Kunda force energy, that creative life force energy. There must be a merger between the two. You must not stifle your sexual desires. You must make sure that they are done within a high vibratory way. You don't just express your sexuality with just anyone. So you don't express your sexuality or your spirituality with just anyone. You must begin the process of self-deification, self-gratification, doing things that feed your soul exactly what your soul needs. Pay attention to the lecture, and I'll be pausing it and expounding to take you by your hand and guide you on a mental and spiritual safari as we go deeper and deeper into ourselves. Certain types of people that you participate in that with, that are of the spiritual level that you are on. Or if not, then you do spiritual masturbation and make yourself come and push that energy into visualization techniques, visualizing the things that you want to manifest, the things that you need, the things that you got that burning desire for. Speeding up the manifestation process. Yes. Your lower chakras, your lower self nature, you must embrace these things, and then that energy gets propelled, perpetuated. It shoots up by you embracing it. It shoots up and feeds that. When you embrace the lower self nature, you know, your fears, your doubts, your sexual energy, your aspirations. When you embrace them and separate from them, this puts you in the vernacular of self-power. It gives you a certain type of calmness, a certain type of peace comes over you. And when this peace comes over you, absolutely nothing can get in the way of your manifestation process. Pay close attention to this lecture. Higher chakras, the higher nature of yourself. This allows you to be able to fire on all cylinders, using all of the different levels of yourself by embracing all of the different levels of yourself. Embrace your love. Embrace what hurts you. Embrace what makes you laugh, what makes you cry, what makes you horny, what makes you mad, what makes you feel spiritual. Embrace these things. And then separate from them and take control of them. And then all of these different energy brackets, these different inner portals flow and give you all of the energy needed to create realms of reality. Pay attention for yourself and for your tribe. You have a thing inside of you called reality tunnels. These reality tunnels dwell inside of you. All you got to do is see it and believe it. What is it? The shit you want. Don't think about what you don't want. Think about what you do want. And then build reality tunnels and walk right through them. And you build these tunnels by putting your thoughts, words, actions, and emotions and rituals in alignment with the things that you're endeavoring to achieve, experience, and or become. And when you do this, the powers of darkness, the powers of the light, the powers of your melanin combine and ignite. then you get in alignment with the universe and shit starts to flow a lot more easy. And things that hurt your little heart don't hurt them that much no more. And then after a while, you'll just feel nothing but power. You'll reside in your own inner glow. For the goddamn planet. You weaken yourself when you deny your desires. Pay attention. And you also knock yourself out of sync with the creative life force energy that created creation. Yes. You lose control of yourself and you get overthrown by all kinds of different spirits. All kinds of different demons start to take control of you. Fear and doubt and anxiety, just to name a few. Fear, doubt, anxiety. All of the feelings are different demons inside of you. And these demons get activated and start to overthrow you. Like doing something too much and you become compulsive. So the way that you vibrate and the things that you vibrate on dictates which inner demons, which energies inside of you that will activate. So you can be on a high level and you're activating high level ancestors inside of you. Then you can be on a low level and start activating low level demons and other debaucherous entities that dwell. See, you can't have all good and no bad, all bad and no good. So there's a price that comes with being melanated and gifted. There's a price that comes with being spiritual, no matter who you are and what you are. There's a price for that. There's a price for your thoughts. Everything you think and everything you feel and everything you put yourself in correlation with, you're going to pay for that. You're going to conjure up. You're going to call up certain types of spirits, man. And those spirits are going to show up in your life, man. And they're going to activate themselves within you, through you, by you, for you. They might even fuck around and show up in one of your children. It might even show up through your loved one, your own mama, your own daddy. They might show up through you, and now you hate yourself. Now you don't think you are the shit. You're judging yourself up against other people, comparing yourself against other people. That's a surefire way to know if you're being spiritually attacked. Make sure you pay attention. The saga continues.